Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locating the missing clips in the library index so you know exactly which files are absent. Once you see red missing badges, make sure the external drive is connected and mounted. FCP looks for the original path, so changes break links. Because of permissions or renaming, relinking fails, so verify the original folder name and that you can open a sample media file in Finder. If files are compressed or in a library bundle, identify that now to choose the right relink method. Now you relink. Select all missing clips and choose File, Relink Files, Original Media so FCP scans for exact matches. When the automatic search fails, click Locate and navigate to the folder that contains the original media. Point FCP to the parent folder, not just one file, to speed matching. Make sure file names, timecodes, and codec types align. FCP uses those attributes to confirm a match. If you moved files into a different folder structure, rebuild the path mapping by relinking a representative clip first. Finish by consolidating and verifying. Once clips relink, play through key timelines to ensure there are no frame drops or audio gaps. Replacing proxies may be necessary so you have full resolution sources. To prevent repeat issues, consolidate media into a single library or dedicated drive using File, consolidate library media, and then transcode any proxies or optimized files. If relinking still fails, restore the original media from a backup or run disk utility to check for corruption. That single troubleshooting step often reveals hidden file system errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.